Are your Gigabyte Motherboard RGB lights stuck on solid orange color? Don't worry, we're fixing that frustrating issue right now. First, let's tackle the software. Method 1 involves resetting your RGB Fusion settings. Often, corrupt profiles or a minor software security breach can lock your colors. Open RGB Fusion, navigate to your motherboard profile and hit that reset button to clear any conflicting data. Apply changes and restart your PC. If that doesn't immediately restore your vibrant colors, the problem might be deeper with outdated drivers. Method 2 is all about driver reinstallation. Download the very latest RGB drivers directly from Gigabyte's website. Uninstall your current ones to ensure a clean slate. Then restart and install the new version. Running RGB Fusion as an administrator can also grant the necessary permissions for full control. Still seeing orange? Sometimes the BIOS itself needs a nudge. Method 3 focuses on a BIOS workaround. Enter your BIOS UEFI setup, find the LED lighting options, disable them, save, exit, then re-enter and re-enable them. This forces a fresh initialization of the lighting controller. Finally, for persistent issues, it's time for Method 4, a physical inspection. Power down your PC completely, open the case, and carefully check all RGB headers and cables on your Gigabyte motherboard. Loose connections are a common culprit. Reseat everything firmly, ensuring a secure physical connection. These steps combined will get your Gigabyte RGB lights working perfectly again